Welcome students. Now I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject lesson 4 science in everyday life, a new topic, milk. The content of first one, sources of milk, types of milk, nutritional value of milk, uses of milk, health benefits of milk. Now let us see about milk. Children, do you like milk? Okay. What color in milk? It is a white color. Milk is produced by some animals. Milk is a nutritious food. It is very commonly used as different varieties such as soups, cakes, coffees, hot drinks, cool drinks, etc. Milk is widely considered as one of the most useful and well-known food. People all over the world get their milk from mammals like sheep, goat, camel, donkey, horse, yak, water buffalo, reindeer, and even also moons. Next, types of milk. Based on the amount of fat present in the milk, it can be classified as 5 types: whole milk, low fat milk, skimmed milk, fattified milk, long life milk. The first one, whole milk. The whole milk is anything ordered and or taken away. So it is just homogeneous and pasteurized. So it is used for children. Second type, low fat milk. It has some fat removed. So it is used for adult. Third one, skimmed milk. It is almost all fat are removed. So it has low calorie and low fat diets. Fourth one, fortified milk. It has a super extra vitamins and minerals added. In the fortified milk, it has super extra vitamins and minerals are added. Last point, long life milk. It is a ultra heat treated for various countries. The last point, long life milk. It is a ultra heat treated. So it is used for many countries. I repeat, the types of milk, the 5 types: whole milk, low fat milk, skimmed milk, fortified milk, and long life milk. Next, nutritional value of milk. Next one, nutritional value of milk. Milk contains water, fat, protein, sugar, vitamins, and minerals. So milk is made up of, most of it is water. What the percentage of water is? 85% of water is mixed in the milk. Then other components of milk are fat. Fat, it contains 3.5 to 5%. Then next, protein. Protein is contains 3.5%. Then lactose, it contains 5.5% of milk. Milk has sweet taste because it has a special sugar added. The sugar is known as lactose. Sugar is also known as lactose. So lactose is other name sugar. It helps to build muscles. So fat is present in the milk is called butter. Why milk change the color? Because when heated for a long time. So milk has a sugar taste. So it is called as lactose. The fat present in milk, it is called as butter. Fat present in milk is called as butter. The butter is more delicious than other fat. Butter is more delicious than the other fat. So, fat is other name butter. In vitamin D in milk helps to maintain the bones. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build a healthy bones and teeth. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. So, nutritional value of milk. Most of it is used for water. Water contains 85% in fat, that is known as butter. The fat contains 3.5 to 5%. Next, protein contains 3.5%. Next, lactose, it is other name sugar. It contains 5.5%. Next, uses of milk. Milk is used in our daily life. First point, it is a primary food for babies. First point, it is a primary food for babies. Second point, the milk gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. The milk gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. Third point, the milk gives health drinks for adults and sick people. The milk is used to health drinks for adults and sick people. Then fourth point, it is used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. It is used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. Then fifth point, it is used in ice creams and chocolates. The milk is used in ice cream and chocolates. Then last point, it is used during festivals and ceremonies. Milk is used in festivals and ceremonies. So, milk is used in our daily life. Next, health benefits of milk. Next one, health benefits of milk. The first one, it has the strengthen of bones and teeth. It has strengthen of bones and teeth. Second one, it maintains the blood pressure. It maintains the blood pressure. Third point, it reduces the risk of heart diseases. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. Then last one, it is a source of energy. Then last one, it is a source of energy. So milk has 4 health benefits. The first one, it has the strength of bones and teeth. Second one, it maintains the blood pressure. Third one, it reduces the risk of heart diseases. Then fourth one, it is a source of energy. Students, I hope all are understood this topic. Thank you for listening, students.